Hello guys, today we will show together how to install Node.js on Ubuntu 24.04. So first we need to update and then we need to install Node.js. So let's copy the first command and open new terminal and then let's paste. After the update, we will install Node.js is with just one command, sudo apt install node.js and enter. And yes to continue, and it start the installation, so please wait. And finally node to test the version, and now you have node.js installed on Ubuntu 24.04. So that's all, it's so easy. Thank you for watching and see you on the next tutorial. Goodbye.